Hello everyone, today we are unboxing the new MetaQuest 3S Xbox Edition. Meta very kindly sent this out to me, and because I live in Australia, I'm usually the last person to receive anything, but I'm super excited to unbox this. Xbox was a pretty big part of my gaming journey. I even got this tattoo because I was obsessed with Xbox gaming. And there's some Xbox games that were really significant to me, like Fable. I first played Mass Effect on Xbox, and Halo. Halo is what got me into competitive shooters. So I'm really excited to unbox this and maybe play some Halo 3 on it for nostalgia. I don't have a fancy unboxing table at the moment, so we're doing it at my desk. So I think people have been wanting a black MetaQuest for a long time, so it is very cool that we finally have one, and it's an Xbox version, so it's gonna have green accents. But sadly though, I think these are sold out. Like, it's a limited edition, so that's it, they're sold out. I don't think you can get one now, which makes this very special. But maybe they'll do another run, who knows. So if you didn't know, you can actually play Xbox games on the MetaQuest through I think it's like a live streaming thing. So you don't need an Xbox, you don't need a PC even. You just sign in with a Xbox Game Pass account, and then you can play all their like cloud games. So it like streams it to the Quest, which I've done before, and it's actually really cool. Like, if you don't want to buy an Xbox or don't want a gaming PC but still want to play Xbox games, this is a really cool way to do it. Pop this open. Oh damn! It reminds me of the Oculus Quest 1, and I say Oculus because that was its name. But I think as well, so it gives you an Xbox controller, so you can connect and play Xbox games using the Xbox controller. So I think this is limited edition, and funnily enough, I think people have been buying this just to get the controller because they're collectors of the different controllers and then just selling the rest, which is pretty funny. But as a controller, that looks pretty cool. It's a standard Xbox controller with some green accents, and yeah, we're not here for that. We're here for the MetaQuest 3S. I'm not gonna lie, I am kind of sad it's not a Quest 3, because then I'd probably run it as my main if it was a Quest 3. But this is still looking pretty nice. So you can see like the green kind of trim around it. It's like inside an edge, like it's embedded, which is pretty cool. And then because there's no audio jack, we got the Xbox logo as well. And then what I'm excited for, the controllers. Look at these. It's nice to have some different controllers, and then we got some green tinting on the buttons and then within the analog stick. Yeah. So I don't think there's too much to say about this. I mean, it's a MetaQuest 3S. I've got reviews on my channel already about it. But if you haven't bought a Quest headset yet, I generally recommend, if you've got the money, save up and get the Quest 3. But if you just want to play VR games, this is still a great headset. It's got the same processor as the Quest 3. The downside is the lenses. Not as good as the Quest 3, but they're still decent. This is probably going to take me a bit of time to charge up and install some Xbox games, but we'll pop back and we'll check out some games. Not gonna lie, doing all the setup stuff has made me forget how much I hate the Elite strap. It's just so uncomfortable. I am a Bobo girl, love my Bobo head strap. I can't live without it because I just find any other head strap terribly uncomfortable. But yeah, going back to the Fresnel lenses after using the Quest 3, I've been very spoiled. You do notice a difference. All right, let's see how this goes. Getting your game ready. I live in Australia, we don't have particularly good internet. Ooh, that audio is good. How do I make it look bigger? Yes. All right, this is the only way. And then, all right, so you can make it curved or straight. I just want to play Halo 3. Got me in. Campaign 1. All right, this is the only way to play Xbox games, in my opinion. How good is this? This is the life. This is the life. Woo! Man, those graphics don't hold up. How cool is this? Damn. Wearing Beat Saber socks, by the way. How cool is this? This is the life. Yeah. Who needs a big TV when you got this? It's great. I want to go play Fable. Can I play Fable? Let's fight some grunts. This is so nostalgic, man. I haven't used a controller in a long time, so don't judge my skills, you know? Is there a reload button? I cannot remember. Anyway, my headset's about to go flat because it just came out of the box, but this has been super nostalgic. Like, obviously, you've been able to play Xbox games on the Quest headsets for a while now, and I've already have done this, But just jumping in again, I'm like, oh yeah, that's right, this is awesome. I guess the point of the headset was to kind of like raise awareness that you can do this. And they like did a bunch of marketing with like some big streamers. But all in all, I think this is a really cool collab that they've done. It's a shame that it wasn't a little bit more of a bigger release. Like it seemed to be very limited. So maybe they'll do another one, but it kind of defeats the purpose of limited, I guess. But very cool to finally have a black MetaQuest 3S. And I think being able to play Xbox games on the Quest is a really cool feature that might kind of convert a few more gamers out there, which is cool to see. So thank you so much, Meta, for sending this out to me. It's definitely very nostalgic to have an Xbox MetaQuest 3S.